Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Searching for the tool. First, open Google Chrome or any browser and search for Remove Background. Click on the website that offers this service. There are many, but one of the most popular is remove.bg. Step 2. Uploading your image. Once you're on the website, you'll see an option to upload an image. You have 3 choices. Upload a photo from your device. Select an image from your gallery. Download an image from the internet. Search for an image on Google, save it, and then upload it to the site. Directly paste an image URL. If you don't want to download the image, you can copy its link and paste it into the website. Step 3. Removing the background. As soon as you upload your image, the website will automatically process it and remove the background within seconds. You don't have to do anything manually. Step 4. Customizing the background optional. If you want, you can replace the removed background with a new one. The website provides options to change the background color, e.g. white, black, blue, etc. Add a different background image, such as a scenic view or solid color. Step 5. Downloading the image. Once you're happy with the result, click on the download button. If you want the free version, make sure to select the free option. And that's it. That's how you can remove the background from any image in just a few clicks. It's fast, easy, and requires no special software. Try it out and see how useful it is for your designs, presentations, and social media posts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.